Discover the world of KuCoin Earn and its diverse passive income opportunities in cryptocurrency. Explore balanced products. Savings and staking offer steady returns for stability-seeking investors. Dive into advanced products. Dual investment and protective earn provide higher yields for adventurous investors. Uncover specialized products. KuCoin Wealth, Spotlight, Burning Drop, and Polkadot auctions cater to various strategies. Maximize your earnings with KuCoin Rewards Hub and affiliate program for additional income streams. Follow our step-by-step guide to get started with KuCoin Earn and unlock passive income potential. Create and verify your KuCoin account for seamless access to the platform's features. Learn how to deposit your chosen cryptocurrency into your KuCoin wallet securely and efficiently. Navigate the product selection process to align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Master the art of locking in assets for optimal returns and maximizing your passive income. Track your profits effortlessly through KuCoin's financial and trading accounts for clear insights. Understand the security measures and potential risks associated with crypto investments on KuCoin. Ready to unlock the power of passive income? Start your journey to financial growth with KuCoin Earn. Click the link below to create your KuCoin account and start earning passive income today.